Well, here we are, Mother Nature making more work for us. Last night was sitting on the couch, just about ready to go to bed, and I heard what it sounded like a tree falling down. And this white pine behind me it's right on this edge of the lawn here. It's actually really close to where I had cut some birch up many moons ago in the videos earlier this spring. And I noted at that point that this white pine was dying. It was getting dead, rotting on the bottom. Well, apparently it hadn't had enough and it let go last night. Tipped over, and I had to get out here right away this morning. I didn't realize it was this tree, and it landed pretty close to my little sugar maple I got here. So I got out here and cut up a few branches to rescue the sugar maple, but now it's time to actually clean up this tree. So we gotta stick around and get this tree cleaned up, get the brush thrown on the brush pile, and then get the white pine. I think some of it might be salvageable. I was thinking about cutting some white pine up for firewood. Some people might want to use it, who knows. But cut some of it up and get it stacked and split and dried for some odd reason, I don't know. Because I don't have much else to do with it. So we'll get to cleaning up this white pine. Alright, here's that little sugar maple. It's about 24 to 30 inches tall right now. And it's got a little bit of damage. One leaf is crooked, but luckily not the main stem of the tree landed on it, just some of the branches. Got most of it cleaned out of the way to make sure that this tree was okay this morning. So we'll get to start at the top and start cutting the limbs off, get them on the tractor, take them to the brush pile, and get it chopped up into, I don't know, 8-10 foot sticks, and then haul it over the wood yard. Here we go. I'm thankful I've got a chainsaw with a 20-inch bar. I wish I would have had 25 for this tree. She gets pretty thick down here on the bottom. Even up here before the split, I bet it's 16 across. Sappy, shouldn't have touched that. But that gets pretty thick down there. It gets rotten. There wasn't much holding left, holding it back up. Oh, I'm getting all sappy. This is where that white birch was that I cut this earlier this year. Oh, we got a little bit more to go, a lot more. Check out this sap. We're getting there. One pile left of brush, another pile of brush over there, pile of brush here. One big chunk, and then one, maybe a saw log. I don't know, we'll see. We have a portable sawmill coming in here in a few weeks. If you could only smell this. Smell-o-vision. Here we go, this is the last log from the tree that fell down. This is the base of it. Majority of it seems to be in pretty decent shape. It is about 20 inches in diameter by right around 12 feet long. So I'll put in the video right here the weight of, approximate weight of this log. This Kioti had no troubles lifting it. Now that basket, definitely that was right on the edge of the amount of counterweight that I have on the back. I felt the back end come up off the ground a couple times. But this tractor is again proven to be a very useful utility around the property here, with especially moving trees and such. But my battery's almost out on the camera, so I'm gonna end this video right here. This is the last log. I got a couple of piles of brush to pick up with side-by-side yet, but the majority of the tree is picked up. I'll have to process the wood, who knows, whenever I get to it here in the next month, a couple months, and get it split, stacked, and covered. So if you liked the video, hit the like button, subscribe, leave a comment below, and until next time, thanks for watching, and bye-bye.